Alright, so now the big question is, how do we get this 2JZ? Too well. We're gonna record it. There we go. When it's so light. Let's try that. What the fuck are you wearing?
What?
Are you wearing girl pants?
No, sweats, nigga.
You're wearing girl
When I play soccer.
Girl pants.
Shut up. Let's find out how we can get this.
Dude, how are we gonna get this 2JZ in there?
Big fan.
Yeah, we got the transmission in there. Why are we gonna get this 2JZ in there? Can anybody help me, please? Help me. Help me. I'm experimenting with this camera still. It gets darker, and it gets lighter, and it gets darker. So about right there looks good. Help me help you.
I'm trying to set up my tattoo appointment. Leave me alone.
You're what?
2JZ. Shit's getting serious.
Your tattoo appointment. I'm trying to set up your tattoo appointment, but I'm trying to figure out how to put a fucking 2JZ in the back of my truck.
Okay, because you removed the steering knuckle that we don't need, right? Cool. All right.
Because we removed who transported this 2JZ over here?
Who what?
Who transported this 2JZ over here?
Originally, I should have never had this car in my backyard. Now we have to deal with all this mess.
Corolla and 2JZ and transmission. I don't know what to tell you, bro. I really don't. I gotta get more of my coffee though. I'm stressed out right now. Stressed.
That's cool. I'm glad you got coffee. What did I
need
get? Nothing.
I need a zesty drink.
I'm so glad I was able to get nothing. So thank you.
So glad you was able to get what?
Nothing. Thank you so much.
You got something.
What did I get?
You got me.
Oh, that's right. Never mind. No, I can't complain. You gave me $20 for gas. I'm not gonna lie.
Exactly.
Like $20 free. Who gives you $20 to hang out? That's why I didn't want to take it in the first place. I felt bad. I'm not one. I still owe you $50 though. Not gonna lie. I still remember. Just let a nigga get paid. Some good money.
Yeah, boy, 'cause I need some money too. I'm running low. This camera set me back a lot.
How did it come up to $700?
Fucking the price went up, and then I had to buy an SD card with it.
Wow, these how old these fucking headers are, dude.
And I don't back down, so I brought it anyway.
Look at this. These how old these headers are. I was able to take it off.
Focus.
I hope Ari doesn't see this video because Ari, this is a lot of work.
High quality exhaust.
This is going to Mexico. This is going into somebody's backyard. Again.
Your backyard?
No, it's going into somebody else's backyard.
I want some more coffee. I gotta get more sip of my coffee. You want some coffee? You could take a sip.
How do you drink it though?
Alright, so we're kind of stuck in a foozy now. We can't seem to move it.
How many pull it?
We can't get in the back of my truck. So basically, wait, move one hand. Move one hand. And put this camera down.
Yeah.
Put this camera down. And I'm trying to be all professional and shit. Stay there.
Now it's just to get a ramp. How to make a ramp? Fuck.
this piece of shit. Goddamn gang. So we're gonna do. Sitting all pretty. Party. Now we gotta sit and think. What to do? What to do? What to do? I don't know what to do.
I don't know what to do either.
Alright. Boop. So this is going south quickly. We don't know how to get this engine into the back of my tailgate. And brute strength is gonna work on this one. We're gonna need more than brute strength. We're gonna need like fucking like another two more guys at least to help us get it up there. Right now, I don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. I don't know if we're gonna get it. I don't know if we aren't. But yeah. Poor too Jizzy.
I'm gonna go drop off your tomatoes in a little bit.
Alright. So here's what we're working with.
What?
What?
What are you talking to?
What do you think?
What are you talking to?
We gotta move from there to there. Now to the back of here. But this weak bitch right here can't lift shit. Can't lift shit. So what we're gonna do is probably gonna get more people to lift this bad boy. More people is the fucking.
So this is the 2K.
Imagine if this was a 350 big block. I mean small block. Chevy.
I think I already. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm gonna start calling some people too. Alright. I'll talk to you guys when we get this thing in the back of this truck. And eventually back to Jesus' new house. Catch you guys later. Whoop. Alright guys, look what we have here. Whew. Fully built, not fully built. Voila, to the engine. It's finally in the back of the truck along with the transmission. And basically now we're gonna transport this to Jesus' house. And we're gonna start, I guess, taking this thing apart. If not, I'm going to some drag races. So I'll get a couple of videos of that. That should be fun. But catch you guys later when we get to Jesus' house.